A smørrebrod is a Scandinavian open-faced sandwich traditionally served on sourdough rye bread called rugbrød. I'm going to show you how to make this smorrebrod topped with roasted New Mexico green chili, cured salmon, radish, and herb cheese. First, we'll make the spread for our smorrebrod. In a bowl, combine mascarpone cheese, lemon zest, herbs, pepper, and salt. Spread this mixture onto the bread slices. Here, I have some New Mexico green chili peppers that are roasted with their skins and seeds removed. Cut the roasted New Mexico chili into squares to fit the bread. Place the chilies onto the bread. Top the New Mexico green chili with 2 slices of salmon, radishes, lemon, hard-boiled egg, black pepper, and green onion. The smorrebrod comes in many forms, and you will love this colorful combination of creamy herby cheese, smoky New Mexico green chili, salty savory salmon, and the crunch of radish and lemon.